Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Stokes, and I'm here to teach you about 3D printing. My background is a career in polymer processing, polymer chemistry, and applications of plastic materials. And I'm here to help you integrate 3D printing into your organization. 3D printing is an exciting technology that changes the way that we do manufacturing, new application development, and future technologies. In this course, we'll teach you how to evaluate 3D printing technologies, how to design parts and products, and teach you the workflow so that you can have a 3D printing process working in your company. Looking forward to having you in the class soon.